Welcome to Mishna Makkot Perakim Mishnah Yod. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss finally how many lashes a person gets. Right? So we have from Sefer Devarim in the Torah. So Perek Kafeh Pasuk Bet. We have Ve'aya im bina kot rasha. Right? If he's liable to getting lashes. Ve'pila shofet ve'ikau lefanav kedei rish'ato b'mispar. Based on his rishut, based on how bad he is, that's the amount he should get. And the next pasuk says, Arba'im yakenu lo yosif. He should get 40 lashes, no more. Because you may give him one more and then he becomes degraded. So now the Mishnah asks, how many lashes do you need to give him? 40 minus 1, 39. 39 lashes. Shneemar bemispar 40, right? Pasuk bet ended bemispar, with a number. And then it says 40. So minyan shu samuch le-40, right? So the way Harambam explains this is it should be a number, right? The fact that the Torah says it needs to be a number. If it would have said if it would have said 40 bemispar, right? Then okay, that would mean the number needs to be 40, exactly 40. But because it starts with mispar first, so okay, that sounds like you need to give him, a number. It's not important what that number is. But it needs to be a number that he can tolerate. And then the pasuk says, kedei rishato, based on his rishut. Now, what it says afterwards, the 40, that means that the max you could give him is 40. And based on this is really based on our tradition. Chachamim say that since we're supposed to give it to him based on what he could handle, and we're not supposed to pass the 40 mark, so we're going to just take it back a notch, and we're just going to give him 39. Right? It's a very interesting way of understanding how we got to the number 39. The pasuk says 40. Oh, but because it says b'mispar 40, that's a max of 40. It doesn't need to be 40. It needs to be based on what he could tolerate. And because the max is 40, we're going to even almost give some sort of boundary limit so we don't actually pass the 40 mark. We're going to make it a round number of 39. We'll see. You're supposed to divide up the Makkot into 3, so it'll be, 13, 13, 13, right, in 3 different spots. Now, where is that last Makkah? So we're not going to give him 40. We're going to give him, just a little preventative. Right? For instance, when we give lashes, we should do so bezehirut right? Based on the minimum amount that we need to give him. Rabbi Yehuda argues, 40 shelemot, 40 total, right? Like the pasuk. Where does he get the extra one? Because again, we said it's divisible by 3, 13, 13, 13. We'll see in a moment, right, where he gets it from. So where does the extra one go? Ben ketefav, right between his shoulder blades. That's going to be the last and final makkah. Halacha is not like Rabbi Yehuda, rather we give him 39 lashes.